Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you'd like to see me take this lace closure wig and make it look natural, keep on watching. First, I'm starting off with a stocking cap. I already plaited my hair and pre-parted my hair and also laid my baby hairs. This is to give it a more natural look. And so I'm just pulling the stocking cap back a little bit because I want my part to show just a little. And now I'm gonna struggle with putting on this lace closure wig. I already sewed on a band to make it extra secure and make the lace lay down flat so I don't have to add any glue because I use my wig as protective styling and I don't wear wigs every day. So I take them off at night. So I like to um, sew on a band to make it lay down flat and secure so I don't have to add any glue on. And right now I'm just making it fit on my head, snug right, and position it so that the part can be lined up with my natural part so it can look more natural. And in this video I realized that I had my lace closure back too far, so I'm gonna fix that towards the end. So if you see it being back too far, it's because I couldn't see too well, but I ended up fixing it better. And this using a comb is essential when making your lace fronts look natural. So you're gonna part whatever part, if you want to do a side part, a middle part. I'm doing a middle part today, and I'm gonna part my hair the same line I use for my natural hair to make it look more natural. And I'm still trying to fix the part and trying to make it look right. And then I'm gonna go in with my wand and make it lay down flat. I don't add any water or anything like that. I just heat up my wand curler and just, as you can see, just make it lay down. So I'm pressing on it really hard with the wand curler and make it lay down. And the way my sister sewed it in the back, it's kind of sticking up a little bit, so I try to fix that part too. And right now I'm going to just take my LA Pro concealer and add it to my hairline and also to the lace closure to make it blend in, and then I'm going to pat it on to make it blend even more. So if you see me what I'm doing now, you don't have to do this step, but like I said, I want mine to look really natural, so I'm going to do that step. And I actually fix it at the end. I bring it up more because I see that it's back too far and I don't wear my wigs like that, but it does look cute like this for real, but like for pictures. But I think if you're walking out like this, people going to see, like, you can kind of see like the lace is hanging back farther. But for just pictures, this is nice. But if you want to bring it up further, that'd be better. Like at the end, you'll see me bringing it up further, and I'm now taking a black pencil and because I got some of the concealer on the hair, so I'm just shading that in, and also to make it blend more. And yeah. So right now I just took off my scarf. I let it sit for like 10 minutes and I brushed it out, and this is the final look, guys. This is my lace closure wig that I make look natural. Me and my sister made this lace wig using the Bellatique hair. I really can't pronounce the name, but I can leave the name in the description box. And the hair I bought from my hair supply store. And thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.